Hi guys, Daniel Paris, UtahLowRate.com, back at you with our YouTube channel. Wanted to go over in detail our stated income home loan. This home loan, anybody can qualify for it as long as you meet the reserve requirement and you can come up with the down payment. There's no employment required. So if you're newly self-employed, you started a new business, we don't care. We don't ask for it on the application. The application is going to be left blank. So let's get that out of the way. Anybody can qualify for this, whether you have a job, you have job history or not. This is a very easy product to qualify for. What I want to do today is go over in detail what the requirements are to qualify for this product. So let's start off with the credit scores. Credit scores start at a 640 credit score. So when we pull a mortgage credit report, we have to pull a middle score of a 640. We're going to pull 3 bureaus. So your 3 bureaus are going to have an average of 3 scores. Let's say you have a 600 low score, a 640 mid score, and a 700 high score. We're going to take the middle of the 3 and we're going to use the middle score. Keep in mind that credit scores or credit reports you're seeing online, like Credit Karma and places like that, are not going to be accurate to what a mortgage credit report is going to pull. So you always want to call us, have us pull a mortgage credit report, and then we can give you detailed information on what that credit score looks like. It's always going to be a little bit lower than what you're seeing on Credit Karma or other sites that you're tracking your credit score, because credit reports for mortgage are going to be more scrutinized than a credit report that a consumer can pull or look at. So let's start off with credit scores. 640 credit score, you're going to be required to put 30% down. Now, you can get a gift for the down payment and the closing costs, which means that if somebody wants to gift you that down payment, you can get a gift for that. And we don't require that to come from your own funds. What we will require is you guys have backup reserves. And what I say by backup reserves is, let's say you have a 401k, retirement account, cash reserves in the bank, stocks, bonds, 401ks, IRAs, stock accounts. All of that stuff works as backup reserves. We can use 100% of all of those. So you're going to be required with a 640 credit score all the way to a 679 credit score. They're going to want to see 18 months reserves. With a 680 credit score, they're going to require 12 months of reserves for that. So same thing, you can use 401k, bank accounts, IRAs. Same thing as the 640 credit score, which we just went over. Now, if you have a 700 credit score, they're going to only require 9 months reserves. So when I say reserves, what I'm talking about is whatever the payment's going to be. So your principal and interest, your taxes for your property, so property taxes, homeowners insurance, whatever that total payment is, they're going to want to see 12 months reserves in one of these backup retirement, cash accounts, stock accounts, IRAs, whatever you've got. Same thing, you can still get a gift for the down payment. Now, once you get to a 680 credit score, you're only required to do 20% down. So that's going to be 10% less down than what the 640 to 679 credit score required. Okay, now when we get up to a 740 credit score, they only require 3 months of reserves. So 3 months worth of payments for whatever that payment is. So this program is super easy to qualify as long as you've got the credit and you've got the backup reserves. And if you can get a gift for the down payment, great. If you've got the down payment, even better. They don't care either way. It's the same qualification. So if you have any further questions about this product, keep in mind, like we discussed before, there's no employment required on the application. There's no employment history required on the application. There's no income stated on the application. So even though this is called a stated income product, we don't require you to state income because they don't want to see income. They don't care what your income is. They're not asking for the income. This is solely based on if you can come up with the down payment with a gift or your own funds, and if you meet the reserve requirements. I'm happy. You can call me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'll answer any questions you have. I'll help you get pre-approved for this product. UtahLowRate.com. My phone number is 801-604-4949. Feel free to call me 7 days a week, any time of the day, night, doesn't matter. Always available. Happy to answer questions. Happy to get you pre-approved. It'll only take me about 20 minutes to get you pre-approved. Hit the link, subscribe, and watch out for our next video where we're going to go over some other loan products for self-employed. But thanks for watching, and have a nice day.